Snuggle Up with English, understanding, Cuddle Up. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to wrap ourselves in the warm blanket of English phrases and focus on the meaning and usage of cuddle up. This phrase is not just about physical warmth, but it also carries emotional connotations. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases will definitely add coziness to your English conversations. So, let's get comfy and start exploring. When we look at the phrase, cuddle up, we're actually looking at two words that are packed with warmth and affection. To cuddle means to hold someone close to your body for warmth or affection. It implies a close and comfortable position, usually with arms and legs entwined. Up, in this context, doesn't mean to literally move upwards. It's just an addition to imply movement or action towards cuddling. So, when you cuddle up, you're moving to a position where you can snuggle closely with someone, or even something, like a teddy bear, in a comfortable and cozy manner. It's a voluntary and often comforting act, conveying a sense of safety, warmth, and affection. Now, let's see how to use cuddle up in everyday conversations and writing. On a chilly night, it's so cold tonight. Let's cuddle up under the blanket and watch a movie. With a loved one, after a long day, all I want to do is cuddle up with you and relax. With pets, my cat loves to cuddle up on my lap while I read. In a larger sense, I saw the puppies cuddle up together for warmth. In these sentences, cuddle up is used both literally and figuratively to express physical closeness, emotional comfort, or seeking solace in someone's company. Cuddle up can be modified to fit different contexts and convey varying degrees of affection or comfort. Cuddle up with indicates the partner of cuddling, be it a person, pet, or even a comfy pillow. Cuddle up to suggests moving closer to someone or something to cuddle. Cuddle up against implies cuddling in a protective or supporting manner, as in leaning into someone for support. Each variation adjusts the phrase slightly to suit the situation or emotional tone you wish to convey. And there you have it. We've cozied up to the phrase, cuddle up, and learned about its meaning, usage, and variations. I hope this video has not only warmed your heart but also enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is like cuddling up with knowledge. It's comfortable, reassuring, and always makes you feel at home. Thank you for watching, and I hope to cuddle up with you in our next video. Stay warm, stay curious, and keep learning.